Hi guys, it's Elissa at Moat Cottage, and today we are dehydrating some pears. It's pear season and I bought a few pears to dehydrate, and when you buy them, pears are usually quite firm and not quite ripe. So I've left them out for a few weeks actually to soften up a little bit. The numbers of pears have actually dwindled while they've been waiting to be dehydrated because obviously they're quite popular. So this is what I've got left, and I've given them a wash today, and now I'll just cut off the stem and slice them up, removing the cores. I try to cut each slice a similar thickness so that they dehydrate evenly, and I'm leaving the skins on as well. Stacking them onto the dehydrating trays, you leave a little gap around each one so that the air can circulate. When you're dehydrating fruit, the more ripe the fruit is, the sweeter the fruit will be. So when you're dehydrating them, they're way more delicious when the fruit's ripe. With pears, it's a little bit difficult to get all the slices the same size, so some will be ready before others. When it's dehydrating, I'll just have to check that and make sure I get the ones out when they're ready and leave some a little bit longer. That's 7 trays of pears ready to dehydrate. We'll be putting it on 58 degrees Celsius, which is 136 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll check in to see how they're progressing. We're 4 hours in, and I'm rearranging the trays so that the pears that are on the top will now be on the bottom and the ones at the bottom will be up the top. That just helps it to dry more evenly. It's been about 23 hours and they're finally ready. So they're a little bit soft, but they're dry. So now I can pop them in the jar. Oh, they look delicious. There's a few thicker ones that aren't quite ready yet, so I'll put them back on. You can sort of feel if they're ready or not. They'll feel a little bit moist still if they're not ready. Well, that's pretty good. So far we've got a pint jar and we've still got 4 trays to go. So it'll be about a quart. Now for the taste test. Oh yeah, you're gonna love them. And they still kept their color quite well, even though I didn't use lemon juice on them. So yeah, really easy to make, and I hope you make them too. Let me know in the comments below if you do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.